हमारे सामने एक सिक्योरिटी सिचुएशन है और वो सिक्योरिटी सिचुएशन का जो डिग्री है कि कितनी गंभीर है, उस सिलसिले में एक ये रिलेटिव टर्म्स में बहस हो सकती है। वही फ्रीक्वेंसी में, उसी लेवल ऑफ वायलेंस में कुछों का होगा मानना कि ये क्रिटिकल नहीं है या क्रिटिकल है, पर सच्चाई ये है कि अभी भी सिक्योरिटी फोर्स की, लॉ एनफोर्समेंट की अपर हैंड है, कंट्रोल है और एक ऑर्डरलीनेस को बरकरार रखने के लिए एक ताकत जो है वो कायम है। तादाद के हिसाब से, उनकी तादाद के हिसाब से अगर आप गिनती करते हैं टेररिस्ट्स की, लोकल रिक्रूटमेंट की, वादी की बात अगर आप करेंगे, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की, स्ट्रीट वायलेंस की, स्टोन पेल्टिंग की, जैसे मैंने कहा लोकल रिक्रूटमेंट की, हर लिहाज से आप ये पाएंगे कि देयर इज ऑर्डर, द डिग्री ऑफ फियर is certainly less than what it was 3 years ago or 4 years ago or 5 years ago, and it is evident from the overall rhythm of life that we witness, be it business, be it schools, be it other educational institutions or public facilities of that is running of hospitals and shops and other public goods, transport included. We have a system, we have a rhythm of life which goes on. Having said that, there are foreign terrorists who have managed to infiltrate. All of us in the security establishment have more or less agreed to it, and we are aware of it, and we have not shied away from admitting it. As I have been saying always from time and again, that we have a long border, a border which is porous to the extent that it has jungles, it has nalas, it has riverines, it has several topography and terrain related challenges. So, and the enemy is finding out newer and newer mechanisms of trying to push in terrorists. So therefore we have a challenge at hand in terms of foreign terrorists primarily. Some of our friends say that the challenge is also on account of a few individuals who are or who could be supporting them. That also is admittedly a challenge, like in any society where some persons, some elements would always, because of money or because of other reasons or a combination of reasons, would like to be a part of this syndicate, crime syndicate called terrorism and secessionism, supported by hostile and powers across. ये रहेगा और ये एक चैलेंज को भी हम मानते हैं, और वो दोनों चैलेंज, द चैलेंज ऑफ द गन एंड द बम बाय द फॉरेन टेररिस्ट्स एंड द चैलेंज ऑफ ए फ्यू हु आर supporting or maybe extending facilitation, these two challenges are being dealt, and being dealt firmly in a planned manner the challenge of the bomb and the gun is being responded by way of a coordinated plan of the security architecture, which includes the police, the central paramilitary forces and the Indian Army, and of course our able agencies. As far as the treacherous or treasonous supporter within, he too is being dealt with under the law. We have very able and professionally very competent investigating agencies like NIA, SIA, and also police teams within the J&K police who would investigate into the crimes of these supporters, aiders, abettors, facilitators,